Your whole life you make plans. Plans to find that someone special and plans to work toward retirement.
Then something unexpected happens that could ruin it all. Now what's your plan? Call Michaels and Smolak today. We have a game plan, the better game plan.
Well, it's a Friday and we're looking forward to the weekend, and we have some weather. Already had a bit, although there's a bit of a break midday, early afternoon. Here's the drill. We had some snow. That was mainly across sections of central and northern New York. There was a quick little coating, and as expected is melting off. Even those areas to the north, which had some substantial snowfall for a while, Wayne, Oswego, northern Cayuga, up into Jefferson County, that has really diminished on time and as expected, and the temperature is rising, so that's melting off. Hey, but we're not done yet. We're going to bring in some colder air as we head through the overnight and into tomorrow. Don't you worry, there will be some spots that do get accumulation. So let's get to it. During the afternoon, what I think will likely happen is the best chance for renegade flurries and light snow showers are going to be east and northeast of Lake Ontario. Honestly, there's probably going to be some filtered sun from time to time in central New York to get us into the lower 40s with a breeze. Again, not a shabby forecast when you consider the time of year. But then we get into the 7, 8 o'clock hour, and the snow showers will start getting enhanced off of Lake Erie and Ontario again. And I mention this because at that point, there's going to be a front heading through during the evening hours. So it'll probably enhance the Erie snow showers and then kind of drift the whole thing across the whole area, which means everybody gets some snow showers. Winds turn to the west-northwest briefly, kind of having this moving band of lake snow for a while during the morning hours before the whole thing goes to the north. But before we talk about Saturday, let's discuss how much snow I think will occur for the evening and overnight. So let's just start the clock. There should not be that much accumulation between noon and 5. It's just too warm and disorganized. But there should likely be some accumulation overnight tonight. This is for a 14-hour period. And considering it's lake effect snow, this is not outrageous with respect to snowfall rates. But here's what I'm expecting. We're likely to get that influx of snow showers northeast of the lake for a while, which is why I think for most part this is where the steadiest accumulation will be. Generally, central southern Jeff, much of Lewis, northern Oswego, you're going to get 2 to 4. Now within this darker blue, I can't pinpoint exactly where, but some spots will probably get 4 to 8. My best guess would be the Tug Hill. Then a combination of this swinging south, the stuff off of Lake Erie moving east, giving us some periodic snow showers and flurries, probably means for the lowest elevations, Geneva, Auburn, Syracuse, Utica, anywhere from a trace to a coating to an inch. Best chance for an inch or 2 through a north, especially 31 north, and in a few hill towns to the south. Now that's just by 7 a.m. tomorrow. This is a close call for Syracuse tomorrow, but I think just a slight dip of lake snow, most of it's going to stay to the north. So that means most of the time it's Oswego, Oneida counties, that is northern Oneida and much of Oswego counties that get the important snow during the daytime Saturday. Now because the air is colder tonight and tomorrow than it was last night and today, there'll be a much higher probability for the snow to actually stick not only tonight, but even through the day tomorrow. Temperatures are going to be 5 to 10 degrees colder during the day. So with that in mind, I've gone for another trace, which is snow that falls but doesn't stick, to maybe locally a coating to an inch for Syracuse and near the 41 corridor. The best chance of getting at least 1 would be from the 31 corridor north. Notice 2 to 4 inches, much of Oswego, central and northern Oneida, southwestern Lewis counties, and then in this heart of the band, maybe APW area, Mexico, Central Square, Westdale, Camden, 4 to 8 inches, somewhere in this zone I would think is most likely. There'll be some leftover snow showers east of the lake Saturday night and Sunday morning. The rest of the area, we've got improving amounts of sunshine. You can see that, as well as the precip probability dropping off. 7-day forecast on CNYCentral.com.